जय माँ काली, जय माँ आद्यशक्ति। वेलकम टू द सीक्रेट स्पेस। मैं हूँ प्रियंका और ये है मेरा चैनल अर्जुन तारा टैरो। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं करियर एंड फाइनेंस रीडिंग फॉर मई 2026 फॉर वाटर साइंस यानी कैंसर, पाइसिस एंड स्कॉर्पियो। याद रखिए, ये सारे रीडिंग्स कलेक्टिव एनर्जीज के लिए है। सो इफ इट रेजोनेट्स देन प्लीज एक्सेप्ट इट, इफ इट डजंट रेजोनेट्स देन प्लीज रेस्पेक्टफुली रिलीज इट। लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और बेल आइकन पे ज़रूर क्लिक करें सो दैट यू डोंट मिस एनी न्यू अपकमिंग वीडियोस। तो चलिए देखते हैं मई का महीना वाटर साइंस यानी कैंसर, पाइसिस, स्कॉर्पियो के लिए करियर एंड फाइनेंस में कैसा रहेगा। लेट्स चेक इट आउट। तो वाटर साइंस आपका सबसे पहला कार्ड फॉर मई 2026, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स योर करंट एनर्जी, यानी कि आप ये महीना शुरू कैसे कर रहे हो। एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव गॉट हियर द पेज ऑफ कॉइंस। पेज ऑफ कॉइंस का जो एनर्जी है, दिस स्पीक्स ऑफ स्टार्टिंग समथिंग अगेन, स्टार्टिंग समथिंग इन अ न्यू वे। एंड इसको क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए आई गॉट हियर द 7 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, द किंग ऑफ सोर्ड्स एंड द 5 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स। नाउ ये जो 3 क्लैरिफाइंग कार्ड्स हैं, दिस इज स्पीकिंग अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन दैट इज हैपनिंग इन योर वर्क प्लेस। एंड ये सिचुएशन थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है। तो दिस मैन, दिस किंग ऑफ सोर्स, दिस इज समवन हु कुड बी a boss figure. This could be someone who is an authority figure, someone who is calling the shots in your work. So this person basically is not exactly being fair to you in some way. So he is refusing to see your worth, or he is pushing you to prove your worth in some way again, which is why you might be pushed to take a few steps back and start something again in a new way. तो ये जो पूरा सिचुएशन है, दिस इज ऑब्वियसली क्रिएटिंग सम काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एट योर वर्क प्लेस. दिस कुड बी ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स ऑल्सो. Right now you might be pushed to take up roles which had defined you earlier, but you might feel that you have already advanced from that roles. ये हो सकता है, this feels a lot like demotion. This also feels like you need to start a project from scratch again. This feels like you might be pitching ideas, but your ideas are getting rejected, or you might have worked on a project, you might have advanced on a project in a certain level, and then you are being asked to rework on that project again. तो ये सारी चीज़ें एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्रिएट कर रहा है आपके वर्क प्लेस में, एंड इट फील्स लाइक यू नीड टू प्रूव योर वर्थ अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस इज वेरी एग्जॉस्टिंग टू यू राइट नाउ. सो वाटर साइंस, द नेक्स्ट कार्ड वी हैव फॉर यू इज़ कि न्यू इनकम सोर्सेज आपको इस महीने कहाँ से मिलेंगे. एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव गॉट हियर द 2 of Wands and the Empress card. Now 2 of Wands, it speaks of possibilities, so you might be looking at diversifying your income streams. You might be exploring options where you can create multiple revenue streams. You might also be thinking of starting a new side hustle or a side project. This could be related to some creative ideas that you might be having. It could also be that you might be turning to a mother figure this month for financial helps, or a mother figure might come in to help you generate new ideas, or to help you start a new side project or a side business, side venture this month. So overall I feel ki because of the conflicts in your work environment, because of you might be feeling a bit underappreciated in your work environment, so you are looking at other possible opportunities. This might also mean ki you might be looking at a career shift or something that is more creatively aligned for you at this point of time. So water signs, the next card that we have for you is कि आपको इस महीने नए work opportunities कहाँ से मिलेंगे. And for that we have got here the 3 of Swords. 3 of Swords का एनर्जी, इट स्पीक्स ऑफ इमोशनल हर्ट. तो हो सकता है कि इस महीने यू माइट फील अ बिट डिसअपॉइंटेड, यू माइट गेट अ लॉट ऑफ रिजेक्शंस कमिंग योर वे, और यू माइट फील दैट थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग द वे दैट यू वांट देम. बट इसी रिजेक्शन से you will be pushed towards a new direction. Basically this card is redirecting you because of the emotional hurt, because of things not working in your favor or the way that you want. You will be pushed to try new things, you will be pushed in other directions, to explore other paths, and उसी से आपको नए opportunities भी आएगा. So जो भी आपका initial disappointments आ रहा है, that is going to ask you to take some practical decisions regarding money or regarding finance or regarding your work or career. This is also going to push you into new directions. This is also going to make you face the reality of the situation. तो हो सकता है कि initially आप थोड़ा सा disappointment feel करो, but this is necessary, because without this trigger, without this catalyst, you wouldn't be moving forward and going towards something that might work out better for you. You are going to face a lot of rejections from an authority figure this month, an authority figure who is too rigid and who is taking decisions that are not too favorable for you, that is asking you to push back and start again with something. The logic that this person is giving you might be very hard for you to refute, or you might not be in a position to fight back, and this will be creating emotional hurt. This will be creating some sort of disappointment and conflicts for you, but at the same time this will also push you to take some practical decisions for yourself. This will push you, this will redirect you towards new opportunities and new path to explore. सो वाटर साइंस, द नेक्स्ट कार्ड वी हैव फॉर यू इज़ कि जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपके पास आएंगे वो आपको बेनिफिट कैसे करेगा. एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव गॉट हियर द वर्ल्ड कार्ड. वर्ल्ड कार्ड इट स्पीक्स ऑफ एंडिंग ऑफ अ चैप्टर, क्लोजिंग ऑफ अ साइकिल. तो ये हो सकता है कि जो भी आपको रिडायरेक्शन मिल रहा है इस महीने, जो भी आपको इमोशनल ट्रूथ्स का सामना करना पड़ रहा है या डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स एंड रिजेक्शंस का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, this is going to finally push you to end a chapter for good and to look at other ways. You might be searching up something online, you might be searching for options or opportunities online. This is also going to give you a lot of mental clarity, because ये जो clarity आ रहा है, ये जो cycle end हो रहा है, this definitely speaks of success, but this success is hard one, basically. Like, you have to really fight for this success. There will be a lot of problems coming up, and overall this is not a very smooth ride. So you might be completing a project this month and moving on to the next thing in your life. You might be even relocating or thinking of relocating for your job or for a new career shift. You might also be stepping into a more global mindset. मतलब कि you might be looking at companies outside your city or country. You might also be looking at platforms that will help you work with global companies while staying in your own cities. तो ओवरऑल ये जो 3 ऑफ सोर्ड का जो एनर्जी है, इससे जो आपको जो भी रिजेक्शन मिल रहा है एंड द रिडायरेक्शन दैट यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम इट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी रिगार्डिंग what your next step should be. It is helping you also to realize that whatever you have been working on so far, that has to end in some way. That chapter has to close and you need to move forward with a new chapter, or in a new way, in a new project in some way. So water signs, the next card that we have for you is ki what is your overall monthly outcome for May 2026, and for that we have got here the 4 of swords. 4 of swords का जो एनर्जी है, इट टॉक्स अबाउट रेस्ट, इट टॉक्स अबाउट टेकिंग अ ब्रेक, इट टॉक्स अबाउट रिकवरी. तो इस महीने देयर इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज कमिंग अप इन योर वर्क फ्रंट. यू माइट बी चैलेंज्ड इमोशनली, you might not feel appreciated, you might not feel valued, you might feel कि you have to prove your worth. It is not going to be a very easy or smooth sailing month for you. By the end of the month you might feel that you need to take a break from all of it. So this month is asking you to take a step back and to evaluate what your next steps should be instead of rushing in. Taking a pause to recover mentally is very important for you this month, because like I said, your mental health might be affected this month because of your work. Water signs are known to be emotionally very sensitive, and the energy that is coming up for you repeatedly this month, it indicates कि हो सकता है कि आपको emotionally काफ़ी हद तक रिजेक्शंस फेस करना पड़ जाए, तो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू टेक अ पॉज. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू स्टेप अवे फ्रॉम वॉट एवर इज़ बॉदरिंग you mentally, whatever is creating too much stress for you, and to come up with an action plan for the future. So you might also be going on a vacation this month. You might also be taking a break from your career. You might be quitting a job, or you might be thinking of going on a holiday for a few couple of days to refresh your mind. Whatever this is going to be a mental reset for you. So water signs overall May 2026 का जो energy है, it feels that the conflict around your work and the pressure that you are facing this month is very real, and you might be pushed to prove yourself repeatedly, which might be very exhausting for you in the long run. ये जो भी चीज़ें आपके वर्क प्लेस पे अराउंड हो रहा है, जो भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो रहा है, देर माइट बी अ लॉट ऑफ रिजेक्शंस ऑल्सो कमिंग इन. दिस इज़ गोइंग टू पुश यू इनटू a new direction. This is going to make you think that you need to have other sources of income, or you may need to have a career shift, or you may need to relocate to some other place, or you may need to look into some other opportunities as well, because mentally I feel, emotionally and mentally, you might feel a bit of a challenge this month with respect to work and finance. So new income this month will be based on something that you can work on independently, something that will need you to apply your creativity, that may need you to work consistently on something. Now as far as opportunities goes, is mahine you are the one basically who is going to create the opportunities for yourself because of those initial rejections that you might be facing. तो हो सकता है कि overall you will get a lot of clarity this month through the struggles that you are facing, and this entire struggle, this conflict phase is going to demand that you take a break, that you take a pause and recover from the mental stress that you are in, so that आगे में आप फ्यूचर में आपको क्या करना चाहिए, वॉट योर एक्शन प्लान शुड बी फॉर द फ्यूचर, इसके बारे में आप ठंडे दिमाग से सोच सको एंड उस पर काम कर सको, and so that next महीने you can come back with a fresh set of mind and work towards your goal again. Overall this month is bringing its own set of challenges, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हर महीने ही वी कैन गेट द गुड स्टफ. So this phase is something that might be asking you to go through the struggle, but this struggle is overall redirecting you in path that is going to be more favorable for you in the long term. So because if everything is working for us and we are in our comfort zone, then we don't really look for things that might be better for us, because we are already in a very comfortable position. So whatever is happening this month, this is a much needed push, so that you start looking outside, so that you start exploring other options कि आप और क्या कर सकते हो आपके इनकम को डाइवर्सिफाई करने के लिए, आपके करियर को चेंज करने के लिए, समथिंग दैट विल टॉक टू योर क्रिएटिविटी, something that will that you can build independently and consistently. तो ये सारी चीज़ें शायद ओवरऑल इन द लॉन्ग रन विल बी मोर फेवरेबल फॉर यू, एंड इसीलिए इस महीने में आपको इतना डिफ़िकल्टीज शायद फेस करना पड़ रहा है. दैट इज़ अ साइन बेसिकली फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स टू नॉट टेक दिस इन अ नेगेटिव वे, बट take the lessons from it and push it into a positive channel. तो ये थी करियर एंड फाइनेंस रीडिंग फॉर मे 2026 फॉर माय वाटर साइंस. आज के लिए इतना ही. मेरे कंटेंट को लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा. जय माँ काली, जय माँ आदिशक्ति.